Today I raised 16 cents into $2,600 using a very powerful strategy, but it's so easy that anyone can actually use it to find the entries that can actually make you $2,600 from just 16 cents. You can actually see the entries crazy, and also the profits are actually coming in crazy. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to give you everything that you need from how to find these actual entries, and also this one indicator that I'm using to find these actual entries that can actually grow any small account into thousands of dollars. The broker that I'm using is XAUUSD. I've put the link in this video description. If you also want to grow small forex accounts into thousands of dollars, open your account. If you use the link in this video description, you get maximum leverage and also fast execution speed so that you can be able to catch entries like this. Now let's get into the strategy. This strategy only uses one indicator, which is so powerful that if you use it correctly, as I'm going to show you today, it will be hard for you to actually lose a trade. So make sure you pay close attention and also watch until the end of this video to get the settings of this moving average. For you to be able to get these big profits from a small forex account, you must be able to enter the market as early as possible, just before the market starts to shoot up. And this indicator and the strategy that I'm going to give you today is best at doing this. For every big trade like this, you can either enter right at the bottom here and make maximum profits, but your risk will be high because as the market is going down, you don't really know where the actual bottom is going to happen. Or you can actually enter right here where you know that the market is actually showing you the direction, and all you need to do is actually join this direction and make all these profits from a small forex account. So as a trader, it's all about finding the balance where your risk is low and also your potential profits are very high. That is where you need this actual moving average. When the market is above this actual moving average, that tells you the upward movement is actually in motion. So you must join this actual uptrend as soon as possible. In the next few seconds, I'm going to show you how to actually join at the right time so that the market will actually shoot into direction, growing a 16 cent account into $3,000. This is crazy. Look what is happening right now. Now if you look back, you can also see the same thing happening right here. You have the market going up and then it starts to go down below this actual moving average, which now gives you the opportunity to actually join this downward trend, and then the market continues to go down. And doing this is very simple and easy, and I'm going to show you how right now. You see right here where the market is turning to start to go above this actual moving average. When it's above this actual moving average, you are looking for a pattern for it to actually enter. There are two types of patterns that the market does when it wants to give you an opportunity to actually join. The first pattern is what is called a V pattern, where the market goes below the moving average and then comes back above. This is the pattern that you see right here, where the market goes back above the moving average and then comes back down, which means you'll be entering your trade right here and enjoying all these profits as the market is going down. Then the second pattern is what you have right here. This pattern is a W, not the normal W. You actually see the first low of the W is much higher than the second one. The second one will actually go below this first low, and as soon as the market goes below this actual low, you attack, boom. From there, you actually see the market shooting up and growing your 16 cents account into $3,100, now $3,200. This is the best strategy that you can actually use when you're trading with a small forex account. It cannot get better than this. And if you're trading with a very small account and want to guarantee yourself that you can actually grow it into thousands of dollars, just like what I'm doing right here, the first thing that you must have is a good broker that can actually allow you to place as many trades as you want. If you also want to use the same broker that I'm using right now, I've put the link of this actual broker in this video description. When you now have a good trade like this, you must be willing to take the risk and enter the trade with confidence, which means your risk will be a little bit higher and also your profits will also be bigger. And definitely you need this moving average, which actually show you where exactly to enter the trades, and also one additional confirmation that I use to actually know with 99% accuracy that the market is about to shoot up. This moving average that I'm using, period is 57, method exponential apply to close, style, 4 pixel and color red because it's powerful. And to make it even more powerful, you come to method right here and then you click at the last one, which is linear weight, and then click done. Now look what happens. You now have the outgo entry that you have to use for the market to actually go into a direction and raise 16 cents into $3,000. Now if you want a trading strategy that you can actually use to make $30,000 each and every month, the same strategy that I use to get these GBP USD trades, watch this video on your screen. This is Mobile Forex. Bye for now.